It is not charging at all. It is plugged in but not charging. Let's turn it off and we will start from there. Okay, so before we start, I just want to mention I've tried several different methods, including uninstalling and installing the drivers, installing new Windows, resetting the BIOS, and nothing seemed to work. So this is the only option I came up with besides replacing the battery that works. If your laptop has a non-replaceable battery, you need to unscrew all the screws and unclip the bottom case cover off to get access to the internal battery. Just be careful not to break any tabs while opening the bottom case. Okay, so now we are inside the laptop. Let's unplug the battery and remove the screws. Now all you need to do is just heat up the battery to around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius to get the internal cells to start working again. You can also leave the battery in the sun for a couple of minutes to warm up the battery. It should be warm to touch. I almost burned myself. Also, he wanted some air, so I gave him. Now we will do everything in reverse by installing the battery. Now we will push all the tabs in and screw the case. Now we plug in the charger and let it charge. So now, after letting it charge for a while, it is at 100%, how it should be. Please like and sub the video. He also enjoyed the repair.